Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these creamy, silky smooth mashed potatoes. For creamy texture, you will need starchy potatoes. Next, peel your potatoes, and to prevent them from oxidizing and changing color, dip them in a bowl of cold water. Then cut your potatoes into cubes to help them cook evenly and faster. Add them into a pot of cold water and cook them over high heat. Add your salt, which will build flavor as it cooks. Once it has come to a soft boil, reduce it to low heat and simmer for 12 minutes. Then drain your potatoes once fork tender. Once drained, bring them back to the pot and stir 2 to 3 minutes to remove excess moisture. You can always use a potato ricer, but I'm using a fine mesh to mash my potatoes as I really want them to be fine. Then proceed to use a spatula to gently push them down. Potatoes are done. Now I'm preparing my heavy cream. You can also use milk, but heavy cream will give you a more smooth texture. I'm adding in my dry herbs, that is rosemary. You can add other herbs of your choice and then bring it to a simmer. Now strain your cream or milk and then set it aside. Now onto our potatoes, add your melted butter, then mix it all in. Please do not add milk or cream in this stage, otherwise we will have a soupy mashed potato. Now that you are done with the butter, add in your heavy cream and continue adding the cream bit by bit, mixing it until you get the desired texture. The mashed potato is done. You can see how it's silky smooth and creamy. I'll just go ahead and serve it. There it is served. I'm having mine with some cevapichichi, which is a grilled dish of mincemeat and some vegetables. Of course, you can never go wrong with gravy over your mashed potatoes. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new uploads. Till next time, bye bye.